Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Port forwarding on your eero router allows specific network traffic to bypass the firewall and reach a particular device on your local network, crucial for online gaming, hosting servers, or using certain applications that require direct incoming connections. Unlike many traditional routers, eero simplifies this process significantly through its intuitive mobile app, making advanced network configurations accessible to everyone. Before you begin, it's essential to ensure the device you intend to port forward to has a static IP address within your local network. This prevents its IP from changing, which would break your port forwarding rule. You can usually set a static IP through your device's network settings or, on eero, by reserving an IP address for that device in the network settings under reservations and port forwarding. Once your device has a stable internal IP, open the eero app on your smartphone or tablet. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Discover tab located at the bottom of the screen. Within the Discover section, you'll find eero Labs or Advanced Settings, depending on your app version. Tap on this, and then select Port Forwarding. Here, you'll see a list of any existing port forwarding rules. To create a new one, tap on Add a Rule or the plus icon. The app will then prompt you to select the device from your network that you wish to forward ports to. Choose the correct device from the list of connected devices. Next, you'll need to specify the port details. You'll typically encounter fields for external port and internal port, along with an option to select the protocol. The external port is the port number that devices outside your network will use to connect to your eero. The internal port is the port number that your specific device on the local network is listening on. Often, these are the same, but they can differ if you need to map an external port to a different internal one. For example, you might want external port 8080 to map to internal port 80 on your web server. You can also specify a port range instead of a single port if your application requires multiple consecutive ports. After inputting the port numbers, you must choose the correct protocol: TCP, UDP, or both. Most applications will specify which protocol they use, so consult your application's documentation if you're unsure. Online games often use UDP, while web servers typically use TCP. After filling in all the necessary information, tap Save or Add Rule to activate the port forward. Your eero system will then apply the rule, and the specified traffic should now be able to reach your chosen device. It's a good practice to test the port forward immediately after setting it up using an online port checker tool, or by attempting to access the service from an external network. Remember that port forwarding can introduce security vulnerabilities if not managed carefully, as it opens a direct path to your internal network. Only forward ports that are absolutely necessary and for services you trust. If you encounter issues, double-check the device's static IP, ensure the correct ports and protocol are selected, and verify that your device's firewall isn't blocking the incoming connection. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.